So, ngayon, let's do the unboxing of my new iPhone. Okay, so this is, okay, look, this is a iPhone, an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, excited na akong buksan. Okay, this item costs about kano kaya to? Actually, yeah. So it's only cost 46,900 baht. So binili ko po ito ng cash. Yeah. After ilang buwan ipon. Yeah. After ilang buwang save ng money. So I finally have it now. Okay, so the color is gold. Yes. So here we go. Alright, so buksan natin. Slowly. Yeah, excited na ako. Alright. And then, how to open this? Let's try. Okay. Tadan! Ito na po. So, ito na po siya. Wow. Ganda naman. So, ever since bumibili ako ng iPhone, ito talaga ang favorite color ko. Okay. Look. Wow. So, gold talaga yung edge niya. Meron po siyang 3 camera. Okay. Tanggalin natin. Wow. Wow na wow. Wow. Okay, tingnan mo po. Medyo okay lang naman yung weight niya. Same. Okay. Alright. So, try natin. Buksan na natin. Saan bang power nito? Okay. So, this one is the power button, right? Oh, yeah. This is the power button. This one is the power button. This one is silent button. Volume up and down. And the SIM card slot. Okay lang. Okay. So, nga pala yung old phone ko is iPhone 6s Plus. So parang medyo matagal-tagal rin ang gamit ko before ako nagkabago. Okay, anyway, let's try to switch this on. Tadaan! Okay, so while waiting, let's try to check what's inside this box. So, meron siyang cord. Okay. Yup. Meron siyang cord. And what's this? Okay. The pin. Alright. And the manual. Okay. Look guys. Wow. The first card. What's that? Siguro, oh, ayan. So, right. Mamaya ko na ilalagay yung SIM card. So, meanwhile, let's let's have this. Okay. So, wow. So, this one is inside. Tingnan natin, explore natin. Okay, so, ito na. And I am so excited na talagang gamitin ito, guys. For I guess magtatagal ito ng ilang taon din. So my target is like 5 years before magkakaroon ng bagong iPhone. But yeah. So I bought this item from Apple Store Icon Siam. Okay. So walang discount and all. But I bought it by cash actually. I bought it by cash. So yeah, it's fine and it looks pretty amazing and maganda sa kamay. I mean, yeah, napaka-comfy. And yeah, sana magiging okay itong bagong um, item ko. Okay. So again, yun lang po for now. So maraming salamat and I hope you'll get yours too. Okay, salamat.